say some relationships are like seasons. Trees, the leaves are honey, the bees. I know a honey hotter than 100 degrees. Honey say her heart was locked, but I made master keys. I'm that slave that made master say please. My back won't bend. My sister, I'm deeply in love with your beautiful black skin. You've been my best friend. Before Rosa said I won't move. No. Before Harriet Tubman grabbed that shotgun on the Underground Railroad and said, let go. Before they called the homeland Africa, before it was called Asiatic, my sister, you are magic. I love you before Angela Davis raised her black fist. I love you before Adam and Eve's first kiss. I love you before. You are a poet's perfect score. You are a poet's perfect verse. And they tried to trick you if you was cursed. Kinky hair, thick lips, curvy hips, long and made heartbeat skip. And to my sisters, if he call you a bitch or hoe, tell that buster he gotta go. Because your mind got places it gotta go. Black woman, you can soar with the eagle. Black woman, you are the backbone of our people. Black woman, if it was never time tonight to speak on Birmingham, Alabama, we need you. I know you mother, daddy, and sometimes uncle. But it's gonna take more than the village in this concrete jungle. You see, little buddy got shot last summer. But since he wasn't no kin to us, he was just a number. But he still had a mama. And baby girl say her baby been gone for 4 years. And some days it seems like 4 minutes. Samuel, they say they ready to take their blocks back. And my sisters, I'm with it. And my sisters, the only thing I want you to spread is this message. This one for my sisters that jumped off the slave ships, laughing, doing the middle passage. They say they would ride the backs of the sharks and dance with the whales. They say that great ship, the Titanic, was to never fail. But that great ship, the Titanic, was about to cross them waters where them slaves rebel. Across the waters gone. You see, my sister, you are not a Jezebel, and I know they say you should kiss and tell. But I love you, black woman, for all you stand for. Not all over the dance floor. She's spirited and gifted. Her energy keeps me lifted. Her eyes holds my history. Her smile erases my misery. She got me buzzing like a bumblebee, and I would die for my honey. And you see, fellas, we gotta be willing to do whatever for daddy's little girl. Let her know that she's precious in this cold, cold world. Tell her to keep her pride in this cold, cold world. Tell her to let them sweet whispers fall on deaf ears, because what's pleasant to the eyes often causes heartache and tears. Let her know that she's a reflection of what the best is. And they say some relationships are like seasons. Trees, the leaves are honey, the bees. I know a honey hotter than 100 degrees. Honey say her heart was locked, but I made master keys. I'm that slave that made master say please.